Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and this is problem of the day number 15, laundry costs. As a reminder, you can find a PDF of this problem and of the upcoming problem in the links below this video. Let's take a look. Mr. Long needs to run his laundry machine an average of 2.4 times per day to wash his baby's laundry. Babies make a lot of messes. The machine uses 0.16 kilowatt hours per load of laundry. kWh stands for kilowatt hours and measures energy use. His electricity company charges him 25.4 cents per kilowatt hour. How much does Mr. Long pay to clean baby laundry every month? Assume that the month is 30 days and round your answer to the nearest whole cent. So you can do this by going piece by piece. You can kind of start wherever you want and make sure that you use all the parts. I'm going to show you a way to do this as one solid equation, and it also helps you keep track of what should be multiplied, what should be divided, helps you keep track of units, but feel free to break it down and do it step by step. I'll explain it as a step-by-step process, but then I'll plug it all in together. So the easiest way to start is with the number of days. There's 30 days. And since everything else has multiple units, we'll be using fractions. Since 30 days is a whole number, I just put a 1 as the denominator. Now, let's try and figure out how many loads of laundry total. So if we have 30 days and we have 2.4, on average, 2.4 loads of laundry a day, we would multiply those together. So we have 30 days times 2.4 loads of laundry per day. Once we know the total number of loads of laundry, then we would multiply by the energy usage per load of laundry. So then we would multiply by 0.16 kilowatt hours per load of laundry. And finally, we need to find the total cost. So we would multiply by the cost per kilowatt hour, which is 25.4 cents per kilowatt hour. So now we've got all the parts of the equation together. And if you take a look, the reason we like to set it up this way is because you can see that the units cancel out. I have days on top, days on the bottom. Loads of laundry on top, loads of laundry on the bottom. Kilowatt hours on top, kilowatt hours on the bottom. And then when I multiply all this together, you'll see all of the units have canceled out. There's nothing left in the denominator, but there's a dollar sign left in the numerator. Also in the denominator, we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 kilowatt hour right here. 1 kilowatt hour. So when you multiply all that together, your denominator is 1. You can just ignore it. So once we plug all of that in, we have $2.92.608, and it says round your answer to the nearest whole cent. So what that means is Mr. Long spends $2.93 to wash his baby's laundry, not including using the dryer, for the month. Let's take a look at the next problem. Problem of the day number 16, model rocket launch. Grace launched a model rocket straight upwards at an initial speed of 250 feet per second. The rocket's height, h, in feet, can be modeled by the equation h equals negative 16t squared plus 250t. T is the time in seconds after launching the rocket. The model rocket reached its maximum height after approximately 7.8 seconds. How high did Grace's rocket go? When you're done, round the answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. Remember that you can find a PDF of problem of the day number 15 and number 16 in the links below this video. I'm Pat Long. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up, and I'll see you next time.